Arduino. Installation. Step 1. In this section, we will learn in easy steps how to set up the Arduino IDE on our computer and prepare the board to receive the program via USB cable. First, you must have your Arduino board. You can choose your favorite board and a USB cable. In case you use Arduino Uno, Arduino Dumilanov, Nano, Arduino Mega 2560, or IDE Simula, you will need a standard USB cable, a plug-to-be plug, the kind you would connect to a USB printer as shown in the following image. Step 2. Download Arduino IDE software. You can get different versions of Arduino IDE from the download page on the Arduino official website, www.arduino.cc. You must select your software, which is compatible with your operating system, Windows, iOS, or Linux. After your file download is complete, unzip the file. Step 3. Power up your board. The Arduino Uno, Mega, Dumilanov and Arduino Nano automatically draw power from either the USB connection to the computer or an external power supply. The power source is selected with a jumper, a small piece of plastic that fits onto 2 of the 3 pins between the USB and power jacks. Check that it is on the 2 pins closest to the USB port. Connect the Arduino board to your computer using the USB cable. The green power LED, labeled PWR, should glow. Step 4. Launch Arduino IDE. After your Arduino IDE software is downloaded, you need to unzip the folder. Inside the folder, you can find the application icon with an infinity label, application.exe. Double-click the icon to start the IDE. Step 5. Open your first project. Once the software starts, you have 2 options: create a new project. Open an existing project example to create a new project, select File-New. Step 5.1. To open an existing project example, select File-Example-Basics-Blink. Here, we are selecting just one of the examples with the name Blink. It turns the LED on and off with some time delay. You can select any other example from the list. Step 6. Select your Arduino board. To avoid any error while uploading your program to the board, you must select the correct Arduino board name, which matches with the board connected to your computer. Go to Tools Dashboard and select your board. Step 7. Select your serial port. Select the serial device of the Arduino board. Go to Tools rightward arrow Serial Port menu. This is likely to be COM3 or higher. COM1 and COM2 are usually reserved for hardware serial ports. To find out, you can disconnect your Arduino board and reopen the menu. The entry that disappears should be of the Arduino board. Reconnect the board and select that serial port. Step 8. Upload the program to your board. Before explaining how we can upload our program to the board, we must demonstrate the function of each symbol appearing in the Arduino IDE toolbar. Arduino installation. A. Used to check if there is any compilation error. B. Used to upload a program to the Arduino board. C. Shortcut used to create a new sketch. D. Used to directly open one of the example sketch. E. Used to save your sketch. F. Serial monitor used to receive serial data from the board and send the serial data to the board. Now, simply click the Upload button in the environment. Wait a few seconds, you will see the RX and TX LEDs on the board, flashing. If the upload is successful, the message "Done uploading" will appear in the status bar. Thank you.